Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you how to make butter out of cream. I'm coming from Ethiopia, but now I'm living in Germany. As you know, we need everyday butter for cooking, especially spicy butter. I was trying a lot of different types of butter here in Germany, but I could not find butter tasting like in my country. So I decided to make my butter for my own. In a special grocery for organic food, I finally found cream with 32% fat under the label of Demeter. The main difference may be that this cream is not homogenized. You can make the butter with a kitchen machine or with a hand mixer too. But the kitchen machine is more comfortable and you can make more than one bottle at once. Now shake the first bottle, and as you can see at the cover, it's fresh cream with 32% fat at least. It's important that the cream is very cold, maybe 2 degrees Celsius. Put 2 bottles in the mixing bowl and start the machine slowly. It's the same procedure like making whipped cream, but you don't have to pay attention that the cream will become too firm. You can increase now the speed of the machine, watching the cream stiffening slowly. With this kind of kitchen machine you may need 10 minutes for the whole process. If you only have a hand mixer, you need more time because you can only make 500 milliliters at once, and the whisk is not such big as at the kitchen machine. The cream is stiffening slowly now and it's looking like ice cream. You can see that this cream is stiffening more and more, and it's coming more and more to butter. As you can see, the cream shows like quark. For making the video, I will now put off the cover so we can watch what happens now. When you see that the cream and water are separating, slow down the machine. Now the water is coming more and more, and maybe you decide to stop the machine for throwing the water away. Now when the most of the butter is in the whisk and the water is too much, we are stopping the machine too. And pour the water into a sieve for catching the small pieces of butter which are not in the whisk. Now put the butter back again to the machine and extract the rest of the water. If you see that no water is coming anymore, you can stop the process. You can now repeat the process. In my case, I was using 8 bottles of cream. Out of 4 liters cream, you will get maybe 1 kilo and 200 grams of butter. Now I wish you a lot of fun making your own butter, cooking your own spicy butter in Ethiopian style, and you will be happy with the result. Goodbye and thank you for watching. Until next time.